Assalamu alaikum and hello guys. I hope you all are doing well. Tonight I'm going to show you Susung Hotel and Spa Resort that is actually located in Daegu city of South Korea, and the location is very good as it is very close to one of the topmost attraction in Daegu city for tourists, and that is called Susung Lake. So tonight let's see what this hotels actually offers. Actually, if we see about the rankings of the hotels located in Daegu city, so this is one of the topmost hotel, and usually we can rate it from 3.5 to 4 star, and many tourists who have visited this place have left good reviews about this hotel. So now we are entering in this hotel, and you can see this is the reception area, and there is also a lounge in which you can wait for your, because as the hotel is big, so if you have to wait, you can sit here. And here you can see that there is a rooftop in infinity spa pool, which is a very famous feature, or you can say a famous thing of this hotel. And you can see the first impression of this hotel is very good, as the cleanliness of this hotel is quite impressive. This place is located right behind the reception, and there is a small library also present here. It's not a big library, but if you are going to wait for someone who is in upper floors and he's coming down, so you can pass the time by looking at the floors. So now let's get into the elevator. So I will be going towards the 5th floor first because I need to explore the hotel. Actually, I have already placed my things in the room, so now currently I'm just exploring this hotel. What are the different segments or sectors in this hotel? So now I have arrived at 5th floor, and let's see. So there is some signboards which will tell us what type of places are in here. If we look at the signboard, so there is a sauna, and there is also a VIP locker room where you can change your clothes for swimming, and there is outdoor swimming available as well as indoor swimming. And the most famous thing of this hotel is actually the outdoor swimming pool that is located on the topmost floor of this hotel, and we will go there in a moment. So this section is actually the sauna section. Sauna is some type of actually I don't know much details about this area, but I think it's very popular amongst the foreigners. Now I have just arrived at the top of the roof, and it's already very late actually, so that's why it's almost empty here. No one is here right at this time because it's almost 1 o'clock at night. And this is the what I can say, that the most attractive thing. And usually if you are not going to stay in the for the night in this hotel, so you will have to pay like 30 to 50,000 Korean won at the time when I am visiting. Maybe there is some package. And you can see this this place. We will come back again in the morning now as this is closed. So this place was actually for hot water, so when you take a bath in the swimming pool, and you can come back here. This place you can see is also the same swimming pool, but it's for kids, as the depth of this swimming pool is very less, and there are also plastic boats or some playthings here for the kids too. The beautiful thing is that you can see the palm trees that are beautifully designed, and actually I think they are artificial, as I cannot guess from this place, but yes, most probably they are artificial trees. the same hot swimming pools, small bathtubs, you can say, not the swimming pool. The swimming pool are these two main. And here are the sitting areas, and looks quite comfortable, so you can spend the time with your loved ones or friends here, enjoying the view, the top view of the, I think you can see the whole Daegu city from here. And these are kind of yeah, actually, if you have noticed, so there are two big swimming pools. One is for kids and one is for adults. And the small swimming pool type of things, like you, or you can call them small bathtubs, uh, they are actually of hot water, more hot water, like 36 to 37 degrees Celsius, or maybe 45. I'm not sure. We will see in the morning how much temperature is of that. And these are palm trees. Yeah, so let's explore some more things in this hotel, and you can see the view is very beautiful, and especially at night. I'm not sure how my mobile camera is going to show you this place, is the natural cameras installed in our eyes are far more powerful, and they can feel the beauty of everything that is around us with more clarity. So now I have come into the corridor and now I am going to visit my room, and let's see which room is mine. I think the next one. Yeah. So we are actually two friends living in this room, and now I will enter. I think he's not in the room because the room is locked, so I have to open it. This is the key for it, and I have to scan it to open the door. And as you can see that the room is dark inside, so in order to activate the electricity inside the room, I have to place the card in the card holder, and as soon as I place it, you can see that now the room electricity is available for me. And oh, here are the laptop, and all these things are of my friend. He's from Uganda, and this is my stuff here. So I told you already that I previously first I put my stuff here, and this is a bathtub available inside my room also, and you can have hot bath inside here with hot water available, and you can also enjoy the upper view of the Daegu city from this room. Let's see the toilet system, as it is also one of the essential thing inside a hotel if you are going to rate it about the cleanliness and everything. So you can see that they have maintained the toilets in a very good condition, and two type of showers are available, whatever you prefer. And everything is almost clean. There is also a hair dryer and soaps, shampoos, toothpaste, everything is available. And there is a thermos for keeping the water warm for you, electric thermos and water. You can call uh, the hotel staff also from here. Okay guys, so now I have spent my night here in the room, and now it's early morning. Everyone is sleeping, my friend is also sleeping, so I thought I will show you the upper portion, specifically the view that I show you last night. So let's see that how it looks during the daytime. So as it is very early, so you will, I think, I hope, I expect that there will be very few people or almost no one at this time, because it is very early. So I'm going to take the advantage as we are going to leave this hotel at 9 a.m. So uh, I wanted to show you the place again in the daylight. Okay, so now I'm in elevator and PH is the top floor actually. So now I'm going again to that floor. Let's wait. Okay, so we are almost here, and yep, so the door is open, and yeah, so this is the view you can see in the daylight, same that I showed you last night, but now you can see it more clearly, I think, and the view is very beautiful. And if you are the early morning time, I think it is a very good view to see the sun rising from those mountains, and while you are taking a bath, actually don't I the water is warm and your body will not feel cold while taking the bath, so it is not that much dangerous to take a bath. So you can see here they have managed the place very beautifully, and they have placed everything in a very scenic like for a scene or something. Oh, so let's see the hot water that I talked about earlier. So these are the tubs that I mentioned are separate from the swimming pool. So let's see the temperature, how much temperature it is. You can see the heat coming up. Oh, so it is 36 degrees Celsius, and you can feel the heat. You can see the you can feel it by looking at it. So I haven't go inside this tub. And if you want to have a swimming bath while swimming, so you can go inside this pool, and you can see that the whole city is visible from this point, so you can enjoy it. So if you ever visit Daegu city, I will recommend this hotel to stay if you can afford, obviously, because it is a little expensive. I think one night in this hotel restaurant is, as I have spent this night free. I was sponsored by Daegu Global Supporters, and that's why I'm here. Otherwise, as I'm student here, so I cannot afford to stay for a whole night in this hotel. But if you can afford it, I recommend that you should spend a night here.
You can charge
in this
yourself.
hotel. Okay, so now it's a morning. I have to wake up my friend, and I think he's sleeping. Yeah, so actually he promised, he told me last night that I should wake him up, because you can see that from this window you can see the Susung Lake. So we talked last night, and we decided that he will also wake up early in the morning so that we can also have a visit of Susung Lake before we leave this hotel. But I think he spent the night enjoying and now he's sleeping, and you can see him sleeping there in the bed. Yes. Okay, so let's leave him sleeping, as I want to take advantage from this time. And now let's explore some other sections of this hotel. So I'm here now in the section of like for those people who like to have physical activities gym, and so this is a exercise machines are available, and you can do your fitness routine also here. And the gym is very big actually for a hotel, because I don't think everyone in this hotel will do or use this facility, but still they have provided too much facilities for their people who are going to live here. So this is, I think this is a very good thing if you want to also keep your fitness. because if I have come in some other time, maybe it is kind of full. I'm not sure. This is actually the exercise prescription, because actually there will be a trainer here who will be available to guide you how to use these machines. So let's go outside now, and I think my next destination will be, yeah. So now I am here to have my breakfast, and there are a variety of things available. So you can have fruits or rice or chicken or fish and many things. I don't remember the name, and I also don't know many things as they are new to me. So let's see. This is also a very plus point. You can see this is a self-service, so you have to pick everything you need from here yourself, and you are free to take anything because they have already charged you. The charges are included inside the payment you have already done, so you can avail everything here, and no limitation of the quantity, just depends on you. Okay, so now as we are going to leave from here, so let's see an outer view of Susung restaurant. Not from the ground floor, but it's actually I think it's first floor. So you can see the view is very beautiful, and you can sit here with your friends and enjoy, and you can have a look at Susung Lake. That is obvious from here, this location, and the sun looks quite good, as the weather is very cold, so you can enjoy here and talk with your friends or the loved ones, and you can also have a beautiful view from here. The Susung Lake you can see from here, and it's one of the topmost attraction for foreigner tourists coming here. So that's all from me, and we'll meet you next in the upcoming vlog, and I will be going to visit it's actually this part of the same tour, and we will be going to visit an academy, and I forgot the name, and let's meet in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Salam, salam.